In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage guests in Notion, a skill that is especially useful for beginners looking to enhance their workspace collaboration. Whether you're using Notion for personal projects or a collaborative team environment, managing guest access efficiently will keep your workspace organized and secure. So let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the Settings and Members section. This section is your central hub for managing the people who have access to your workspace. Here, you can oversee who is involved and manage permissions, a crucial aspect of customizing who can see and edit different parts of your projects. Within Settings and Members, you'll find different tabs for members, guests, and your general settings. Today, our focus will be on managing guests. Next, once you've accessed the Members area, you'll want to select the Guests tab. This tab is specifically designed to manage users who do not have full membership access to your workspace, but still need to collaborate on specific pages or projects. These individuals might be external collaborators, such as freelancers, clients, or partners, who don't need access to everything but still need some involvement. By organizing your guests this way, you can ensure that each person has the appropriate level of access needed without overexposing your entire workspace. Now, one of the most critical aspects of managing guests in Notion is adjusting their access levels on a per-page basis. Once you've selected a guest or a group of guests, click to view or modify their specific permissions. In Notion, you can allocate different access levels such as can view, can comment, or can edit. Depending on the nature of your collaboration, consider what each person needs to accomplish. For example, if someone only needs to review content, can view might be suitable. However, if a guest needs to actively collaborate and contribute to the project, can edit might be the appropriate choice. Tailoring permissions this way ensures that your workspace remains secure and streamlined. Finally, it's important to stay on top of who has access to your workspace. There may come a time when a guest no longer needs access. In such cases, it's essential to promptly remove them from your workspace to maintain both security and organization. Simply go back to the Guests tab, locate the individual, and remove their access. Ensuring that only relevant people have access will help keep your projects focused and your information secure. And that wraps up our tutorial on managing guests within Notion. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently organize guests in your workspace, maintain clear collaboration boundaries, and optimize your project management. Feel free to explore these settings and tailor them to fit your unique needs. Thank you for watching, and happy Notioning!